Documentary kung paano lagyan ng tiles.
Very careful when these tiles are wet. They are extremely slippy with bare feet.
Oh.
So what you don't like go back. So there's two different colours. So that one's the dark one in the middle, and that one is this one here. Okay. And you can put the white around the edge.
Yes.
Oh, great. Thank you. This one, I think, has come up before. You may need to get rid of what's underneath so it sits flat. Because there's some stuff. I'm not sure about that one. That looks like it might be the first time it came up. Okay.
Okay. Got it.
Kaya, anong sabi? Hindi ko rin alam eh. Basta nga lang ito.
Idikit lang daw to.
Dikit lang ha.
Dito.
Oo. Basta magkaintindihan lang kami. Dikit. Okay na yun.
Oo. Basta malaman mo ng tama. Magkawa ng tama. Maselan to siya. Mamaya na. Yan. Okay. Ito yun ha. Bigyan mo sa akin ha.